Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my skincare bag which I was carrying while I was traveling. So I wanted to make this video when I was packing, but just because I received 2 to 3 packages the day I was leaving, I couldn't film this video, and I was like, while I come back I will do an unboxing of this skincare bag in front of you guys and show you what all products I was carrying. Now this bag you will get easily on Amazon. I have been using this bag past 3 to 4 years, and most of my skincare goes in this pouch. So I like to keep it as minimalist with the bag as well. Same goes with the makeup. If you haven't checked my travel makeup pouch video, do check out that video. There also I have talked in depth how you should be packing your makeup. But skincare, I do give a little leeway because I do try a lot of skincare products during my vacation time. When I know that I'm going to my parents' place for 3 to 4 weeks, I get like a month with new products, and when I come back I do review them. So I have a lot in my basket, so let's get into it and I'll show you one by one what all skincare products I was trying, what is new, and what old skincare products also I was carrying. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. Now before I get into the video, if you happen to see me in this kind of a dress in most of my skincare videos, it is just a mere coincidence because this is my summer dress. I have recently picked up, like not recently I would say, but February I picked up, and I love to wear this outfit. It's very comfortable, it's best made for summers. So I do wear it almost alternative days, so you keep seeing me in this kind of outfit most of the time, and it is something which I can wear it in front of camera as well. Okay, let's get into the products one by one. First up, I'm going to show you 2 sheet masks which I used, and I'm left with only 2 now. So one I was carrying is this It's Skin Tea Tree sheet mask. So I had 2 basically, and tea tree is something which I use in my summers, and you know how much I love tea tree as an ingredient into my skincare because it really keeps the oil in place. It really keeps all my acne, pimples, bumps, everything in check. So a sheet mask like this really adds up. I like investing on a sheet mask which does something to my skin, not just haphazardly buying sheet mask because you get offers like buy 1 get 1, buy 5 get 5. Don't fall into that trap. If you know this is going to work for you, buy only those sheet masks. So tea tree is something which I highly recommend to combination to oily skin. The other thing which I was using is the Solution sheet mask by Face Shop. These are for 150 each as much as I remember. Yep. Again, I am big high on these sheet masks also. I don't like those 100 rupee sheet masks for my skin. I feel they don't do anything extraordinary, but these do a lot. So yes, again something well done, and I did use 2 sheet masks. Apart from sheet masks, I did do face masking as well. So let me just get away with the face mask and all. So I was carrying only 1 face mask, that is the Matcha Tea face pack from the Clovia. You know how much I love it, and it's already, you can see I'm already at the brim. And this is one product which I have loved so much that I'm definitely going to buy it soon. So this is how the matcha tea comes. Now it is available on clovia.com, and I don't know if it is available on Nykaa, but definitely try their matcha tea. I am eyeing their pink clay one also because I think it is for skin rejuvenating and brightening. So yes, this one again, I have already reviewed this product on my channel. I was just carrying 1 face mask. You know how much I love my clay mask, and I've done a dedicated routine also on clay masking. So if you haven't checked that video out, do check that out, because if you're into your summers and you want to just have a nice skin, that video is going to help you in many ways. So yes, another skincare product. So you may find a few random things also here. Not everything is meant for my face. I do take care of my body and feet as well. Next product is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Foot Magic Cream. Now I have terrible feet, so I was carrying this one just to keep my feet in check. Like I do get like a painful cracks as well, so this kind of foot cream just helps to calm it down. It doesn't heal though, but it just calms it down. So this is something which I was carrying. The other thing which I was carrying was the Le Shield Matte Sunscreen Gel. This is the only sunscreen I use. I do not use any other sunscreen from any other brand. If you have any suggestions, do let me know. Last year I was using the Wow Skin Science. That is completely completely over. So this was the only one which was left. If I have to really buy something, I may just go back to the Wow Skin Science sunscreen, but these are the two products which I was carrying. So since I am showing you products for the body, there's another thing which I was carrying is a body lotion. This is by Bath & Body 1000 Wishes. This one I was carrying, it's almost done. A little bit is left, I think, but it will still last me pretty long. So just one body lotion, because I was like, why do I need too many products? Because firstly, weather was changing. My skin was dry as much as oily at some days, but some days were really bad. So I always have to have a body lotion when I'm into a changing weather. So this one is really amazing by Bath & Body, and I personally love Bath & Body lotions. And yes, they get a little expensive, but always get their products in these offers like buy two get two, buy one get one. You do save up a lot. So yes, this one again, something I was carrying. Moving on to some face cleansers. So I always carry two cleansers with me. I'm never a person who will carry one cleanser. As much as you know that I'm very much high on cleansers, because I feel that's the first step of the skincare, and you should definitely invest in good cleansers. And being a combination oily, I always look out for good cleansers which are not over drying but not over hydrating. The one I was carrying just to try is the My Glam Glow Iridescent Brightening Firming Cleanser. Again, something well done by My Glam. I have been constantly using this one, and this one is really good. Though I would not say this cleanser is going to remove your makeup or anything, but it can be a good cleanser as a double cleanser. So I do not expect my cleansers generally also to remove my makeup. I just want them to remove all the dirt from my face, that's it. So yes, I was carrying this one. Soon you will be seeing a complete review on the whole range. Now I'm not going to show you all the products from this range because I was carrying a lot. So I was carrying their essence also, I was carrying the lotions also, and I was carrying the eye cream as well. So I was carrying the whole range to try out. This one is definitely a good one. And the other cleanser which I was carrying was the Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Cleanser. The reason of me carrying this cleanser was straight up that when I go to a different place, and generally when I go to my place, I do get a lot of tan. Even in the house, because of the extreme dust which is around, it is just like that. I can't help it. And my house is built right in between a lot of farm. So जब कटिंग होती है, जब गेहूँ निकालते हैं, कटिंग होती है, घास निकालते हैं, तो बहुत धुआं उड़ता है या बेसिकली बहुत डस्ट उड़ती है, घर में आती ही है. तो उससे मुझे लगता है कि my skin just gets a little tanned and maybe the texture changes. Just to maintain the texture of my skin, I do carry this face wash because this really keeps my skin in a corrected form. It doesn't allow it to tan by itself, even without going into sun. So this cleanser is a must-have when I'm traveling, and whenever I'm back also from traveling, I will use this cleanser dedicatedly so that it just fixes my skin. So another wonderful cleanser, and I absolutely love it. Now let me show you a hair care product. So I was carrying a shampoo and a conditioner also. Now I don't have it to show you because mine was over and I left the dabbas there only. So I was carrying the L'Oreal new shampoo, the hair growth one or a long hair shampoo, and I was carrying the Extraordinary conditioner. Both of them I used it completely, so I left the boxes there. Moving on to the serum, so I was carrying the L'Oreal Extraordinary serum, and you can see I'm already like here. This is one serum which I use whenever I wash my hair, and it has become my favorite. Yes, after Live On, this is the serum which I love for my hair, and this really reminds me of my Toni and Guy hair serum, which I absolutely miss because that was something which I used to use constantly for my hair, and that was one product which I have bought like bottles and bottles of it, and it used to come in a very small bottle, but now it's not available in India, so I really like it. I will definitely repurchase a smaller version also, just because when I'm traveling now, this bottle gets a little heavy, but other than that, it's a good product. So I have done a full review on this hair care product as well. Moving on to another oldie goodie, something which I use and I have mentioned a lot of time that this product works, is the Wow Skin Science Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel. This is my second tube, by the way. I just love it because it has got these rollers, 1 minute and you are done. It does depuff your face. If you use it regularly, you will see a difference in your face structure, I would say. but not something like a, you know, extreme change. You would see that, okay, my face was like this and now it has become like this is not gonna happen. But this is a good concept, I feel. And for the price $5.99, you're getting a lot here. A good moisturizer with a good these rollers just to massage your face. Basically this roller allows the blood circulation to happen really well. So that is it. And when that happens, a lot of things happen. So yes, this is something which I was carrying and I was not using it every day, I would say. I used to use alternative day, because now I'm going to show you more skincare products which were new. These are oldies which I was using, but I was carrying because I never carry only new products, because aisa nahi hona chahiye. I happened to use a product and things went wrong, and you will know in this video what went wrong. So that was another product. Next up is, okay, this one also is there in here. This is something for your kids. If you are a mother, you can have this with you. Is the Mother Sparsh After Bite Turmeric Balm. It comes like this. Wait, let me show you. ऐसा आता है कुछ. Now basically, if your kid just like a mosquito bites him or her, or any kind of bite basically from any kind of insect, or she or he has got like small bumps, you just have to take a balm and just press it. After 15 minutes it will be gone. Yes, basically it will be reduced. So this is something very good, and this will last you for ages, because this is going to last me for 3 years. So yes, another wonderful thing. And I always carry these small knick-knack things because I'm a mother and it is important. So yeah, ये थोड़ा गलती से इस bag में आ गया. So I'm not talking about every single product in detail, because I've done a full review on all of the products I've showed you so far. Yeah, there are a few new products which will pop in. The review will come soon on my channel, or you would have already seen it. Sorry, I have a sore throat. Okay, next up. This has to happen. Okay, leave it. Next up, I have this MyGlam Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence. This is completely over. I used the whole bottle of it. I already have a backup on this product because I love my essence. And after L'Oreal Microlift Micro Crystal Essence, this is the one which I have loved. And I already have a backup. So I have already gathered a lot of thoughts on this product. So look out for the review. But this is definitely a good product by MyGlam. So this is something which I was using, and this product I'm using more than 2.5 months already. So I already have a backup. Next up, another product by MyGlam which I absolutely love again. This I can actually open and show you, is the MyGlam Iridescent Brightening Eye Cream. This is how the product is. Okay, let me just give you a little close up. You can see already I'm done with half a jar, because this is the eye cream which I was using before I left, and this is the eye cream which I was using all the time. And this is one eye cream I use it like twice a day. I absolutely love the texture on this one, and this really does a magical thing to your under eye as well as your lids. So if you have dark circles, if you have puffy eyes, this is going to work. Even it works on your fine lines. I have noticed a difference underneath my eyes. So yes, a good eye cream, and for a good pricing. It is not overly priced, but it is not inexpensive product. So yes, this is again something well done by MyGlam. Moving on to an excessive need, and this is something essential, and a lot of you have asked me from where to buy this one. This is the Clean Sponge. Now I remove my face mask and all with this one. It gets easier and non-messy, and it is very gentle on the skin. This one I got from Shein.com. Now it is available with a lot of brands, but not every brand has nailed it. I would suggest you can try Milagro. It's available on Nykaa, and they have their website as well. So you can check Milagro sponges, but they're expensive. They're for 750 to 790 rupees, and gets a little hard on the pocket. This one was merely for 100 rupees I picked up. I already have a backup. Thank God I picked up two. But Milagro, I think, has done an amazing job with these sponges. So I still feel it is worth, but it is expensive, because this one you can use it as long as you want. You don't have to throw it, and you can wash it with your hands itself, and you are done to reuse it. So invest in something like this, and you'll be saving your environment as well, not adding too many wipes to it. So get this one. This is really good. So summers have started, and Anjana has started sweating. So I can actually feel the sweat on my neck. Okay, next move on to another product. So another one is the Garnier Light Complete White, what do you say, Light Complete Serum with UV. Now this one is without the SPF. There is another one with the SPF as well. I do not like a lot of SPF in a lot of my other products because I do feel I want to apply a dedicated SPF instead of mixing with every other product of mine, because there are weathers when the product doesn't support my skin. So that's how I feel about products. A lot of people say if an SPF is available in my compact, it is going to protect my skin, but let's be real, that 15 SPF is not going to protect your skin. It's your SPF which you put, that sunscreen, 50 SPF, 30 SPF, 45 SPF, that is going to protect your skin. So still a lot of misconceptions are there in the market and people buy it. But I would clearly say adding a full-fledged SPF is a good thing, and an SPF has to be retouched every 2 hours, which we don't do. So I don't know how much justifiable it is to include a sunscreen. Sometimes it is a very contradictory statement when people say, oh my god, you're not using an SPF, you should use an SPF once a day. No, you should use an SPF every 2 hours. And if you look back to an SPF where they tell you direction to use, a lot of brands mention also you should reapply your SPF every 2 hours, which a lot of us don't do it. So I don't know how you're gonna fix it, but that's the reality. So this is the moisturizer which I was carrying. Again, something which I absolutely love for my skin. And when summers approaches, I know what moisturizers to use, and this is the one which I can just go blindly and use it. So again, wonderfully done product here, Garnier say. Let's move on to another product. This is the Garnier Light Complete Eye Roll-On. So apart from that eye cream, I was using this one also. Now this one also works well, and for the price, you're getting a good product, a decent product, not overly done product, and not something which you will be disappointed with. So if you have a good history with Garnier products, then you can try this one as well. Yes, sometimes it happens when you do not like anything from a brand, you end up not liking anything from that brand in future as well. But just give it that shot, a small shot, because you're not paying too much here, you're paying a little less. So that is another eye cream which I was using. Now I'm going to show you, let me show you something interesting. So I was carrying this perfume. Now I generally don't carry too many perfumes when I'm traveling. I will just carry one. It can be a small size, like a 30 ml or 50 ml, because I already carry a lot of baggage and I don't want to add 100 ml perfume. So I was carrying this Bevel Giri, what is the Splendida, the pink and red one. I think it's red only. It's a, I don't know, it's a raspberry color, I feel. This one, my brother gave it to me a long time back. So this one I dedicatedly use when I'm traveling because it's small. The scent is really nice. Not everybody would like this scent because I feel it's more of a scent made for certain personality people only. If a person who's very calm and composed, or composed means I would say very calm, very shy, this scent would not complement that person, but it would complement a person like me who's little louder, keeps talking. So yeah, this is another thing which I was carrying. Moving on to a lip balm. So I was carrying the Plum Candy Melt lip balm only, and I was using it. It's a very good lip balm, I would say. I really like the texture of this one. It's very light on the lips. It is something which you will not even feel that you applied a lip balm, but the results are not long lasting, I would say. Like, I would not say if you have extreme dry lips and you apply this lip balm and you immediately apply a drying lipstick or a liquid lipstick which is completely matte, and you have this issue of your lips breaking up and crumbling, then this lip balm would not add up. Instead, what you can do, you can apply overnight and then go in with your lipstick. But this is very light, very gentle on the lips, and I really like the formula on this one for my lips because my lips sometimes gets extremely softer, because of which I am unable to see my lipstick well because my lipstick starts gliding on my lips. So I like to have lip balms like that. And after Laneige, this is the first lip balm I have absolutely loved, and it's a good size and you can use it for the longest duration. So just buy one. You don't have to buy like 5 flavors. They have more flavors in it. I wanted to buy one, but I was like, why do I need it? So this question has to be asked all the time. Do you need it? Are you going to use it? If not, then don't buy it. Moving on to more products. So I did I was carrying 2 more products from Wow Skin Science because summers are here, and these products, one of the products I stopped using in my winters is the Wow Skin Science Oil Free Blemish Care Serum. Something which I absolutely, today also I'm wearing this in the I wore it in the morning. This is like a magical product. So if you are a person who's combination too oily, who has blemishes, who wants to control the oils and simultaneously give a more firmer touch to the skin, you will start seeing a noticeable difference after 2 weeks of application of this product. And this works. It's a very different formula. I've never seen a formula like this, and it is well made. As it says made for combination to oily, it is made for combination to oily only. If a dry skin person starts putting this product, you may start feeling a little irritative. Secondly, you may start feeling a more drying. So if you're a combination to oily, then you should be eyeing. I'm already done with half a bottle. So I used it last summer, I stopped using it, and now again I've started using it. Now most of you would come back and ask me how many times should you use it. If you have excessive blemishes and a lot of things going on, then you can use it every day once. But if you already have a lot of skincare products in your skincare, then you can include a product like this, like every alternate day, or maybe once in 3 days you can use it. This is how I include this product. So when I was there, I was using this product once in 3 days because I was using more serums and more other products. This works amazingly well. I will definitely be repurchasing this as it's over. Next up, I was carrying this Wow Vitamin C Face Serum. This was like a product which I just dumped it at the last moment. Sorry, reason being, I was carrying another vitamin C serum from a new brand, and I was not sure if the product I will love it or like it, so I wanted to have a backup. So I was just carrying this one, and I like it. It is again not very thin like watery. It is into more of a jelly consistency. Again, this product I feel in winters can be a little drying on the skin, but in summers it sits really well. So I was using this again constantly. Basically, this was the only vitamin C serum I could use all of my vacation, because I'll tell you in my next product what exactly happened. So since I talked about that vitamin C serum, there was this product from Dr. Said, the Amla Vitamin C 20 Vitamin C Serum. Now guys, what exactly happened? It's a long story. I updated you guys on my Instagram as well that there is something else in this bottle. Now it has become very sticky also. See, it doesn't open. Now I'm going to show you this serum. If you have used it, you will know. You see? Okay, wait. You see this? It's this consistency. So my son had come and he was asking for something. So okay, wait, okay, so now you saw the texture on this vitamin C serum. So it is gummy, goopy, it sticks on the face like a glue. It doesn't move. Okay, now I went to the brand on Instagram. I DM'd them. Then I had to message the owner of the brand as well to talk about this product, because I was not exactly getting a good response from the brand page. So I was like, I need to talk to someone who can actually fix this issue and what exactly is there in this. So they replaced the product with a new vitamin C serum. Now I'm going to show you. Now you've already seen how this one looks. Now I'll show you how exactly the vitamin C serum looks like. This is how it looks. Wait. This is how it looks. So this is what happened, and I couldn't use the new vitamin C serum. That is another thing which I want to talk here, that I wanted the brand to take the vitamin C serum which I bought the first time, just to know what is there in it. But brand was not keen on taking it, and the brand, basically whoever handles Instagram page, he told me that we don't have a policy of taking the product back. I understand, but that is when, if the product is expired or maybe the product is broken or something like that. But here everything is intact. There is something else in the bottle. The point is, I'm assuming if I have got this kind of a bottle with something weird in it, maybe more number of people would have got it, and secondly, the whole batch would have gone wrong. It cannot happen that things can go wrong only with my product, because I also stay in India and every other person staying in India. So I really wanted the brand to take it, and they have not taken it back, and that's really sad. Okay, forget about the vitamin C. Now I'm already using the new one and I'm really liking it. Next up, I was carrying this Dr. Seth Centella and Niacinamide serum. Oh my god, this is magic in a bottle. This is my first dedicated niacinamide serum in my skincare routine, and I love it. This is again not exactly watery, I would say. This is how it looks. So I wanted to see it so that if you can check back your products also. Again, this one I'm loving. This is the one product which I was using almost every day, and I've already gathered my thoughts, and it works. It works. If you're a combination oily and if you're looking out for a niacinamide serum and you're not sure which one to buy, I think this can be the one. For the price, you're really getting a good niacinamide serum with Centella, and it has 1% zinc. In niacinamide, you have always see zinc ka percentage kitna hai, and it has 10% niacinamide, so it is good. It's not 15 or less than that, because if it goes more, then things can go a little bad for the skin as well. So I feel 10% is like a perfect mark. It is somewhere in between, and you have 0.1% sodium hyaluronate, basically give you more of a hydration. So yes, this is a good niacinamide serum which I absolutely love. Look out for the review. I'm going to be reviewing all the products in depth. Because I've not done so much of talking in such a long time, I feel my throat is really hurting. Moving on to another facial oil, something new into my skincare, and this is one product which I received just the day I was leaving. It was like I received the product, I unboxed it, I put it in my bag and I left. It was like that. So this is the Shankara Kumkumadi oil, 50 ml product. This is how it is. Now guys, I was not aware of this brand. Then I had to go on Nykaa, check it, and then I realized that okay, there's a brand called Shankara also. They have certain skincare products, but they are expensive. This is for 1950 as much as I know. And this is a complete facial oil with a lot of other goodness in ingredients. I was using this oil only once in 3 days, just because I have already shown you a lot of serums. Now products like this you can include every day also, but if you're a person like me who wants to include a lot of different serums and work on other issues as well, then you can use it once in 3 days also. I have seen a good change in my skin. I like the texture of this product on my skin. It's not super oily. It just sinks into the skin, I would say. And it doesn't have any kind of fragrance, because when I saw this product for the first time, I was like, oh my god, it will have a lot of fragrance. But it doesn't. And that's a good part, because a lot of these kind of products can have a lot of scent to it, which can get a little nauseating for a lot of you. But I really liked the texture, the product, how it sits on my face, and I want to use it a little more to give you a good review. So far I'm liking it, and it comes into a pump style. This is how it is. So I just take like 4 drops and the whole face and neck is done. You don't need too much of these products, because since it is 1950, you get 15 ml. It is highly concentrated also. So when you use a highly concentrated product, you don't need too much. You just need very little. That is why these kind of products last you the longest period as well. So yeah, something which I have been loving. I will give you a review after few weeks, not so soon. And now we are down to the last product, and something is more of an essential, and I always carry this product in any kind of weather, is this Good Vibes Tea Tree 100% pure essential oil. Something which can work instantly on my acne. If anything comes out, I just have to take a drop. Done. So yes, this is something essential, and if you're a combination to oily, you get these hormonal acne and all, and you want to instantly dry it naturally, then you can get something like this. Not every time chemically made product or a product which is done for pimples drying, you don't have to invest there. You can just buy a tea tree oil, something like this, it is inexpensive also, because I've tried a lot of tea tree oils, but Body Shop and this Good Vibes one are the best ones, and Good Vibes is very inexpensive. I got this for this is for 245 rupees, but I remember I got this product as free because it was buy one get one. So yes, look out purple.com to get your Good Vibes product. I'm amazingly amazed by their products. I like it. I like more of their products only for summers because I feel they give me the right amount of hydration and they really keep my skin in check. So yes, this is another product which I was carrying. So I feel my voice changed a bit because yes, I have a very bad sore throat and a dry throat. So those were the products, those were the skincare products which I was carrying. Yes, I do know that I have missed two products to show you. That is my night cream, which was again by Garnier, and there's another moisturizer, simple one, which I have completely forgot to show you because it's in my laptop bag and I have not removed it. But other than that, I have shown you everything I was carrying. Look out for some new reviews which will be coming up soon on my channel. I want to give more time to certain serums so that I can give you the best possible review as well as share my experience with the same. I hope you will after watching this one. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab any skincare product for yourself. And I do mention some additional coupon codes as well so that you can save a little extra on your buy. I will see you in my next one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @RainBronzingi. You take care and tada!